Alright, I'm back with the Gladiator. Got a new part today. Going to be updating the Panhard mount. The Panhard bar mounts are the same for the Gladiator as they are the JL. So JT JL Panhard mounts are the same. This one's aluminum. This one is hard plastic. Alright, have the new Panhard mount on there. Looks pretty slick. Quite straightforward installation. Hopefully that'll keep itself from breaking the arm off, which I've seen a few people, RC Sparks included. Turn it over, that's how it mounts. Have 1, 2, and 3 bolts that put it through the frame, and the one that connects the sway bar to the mount. Little $12 fix and all is good.